Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today it's just going to be a bit of a different unboxing. It's because I've got an Amazon product. I got contacted by an Amazon seller and I was interested in what it was. It is a Moonlight. Now then, I don't know why I was interested in it, but it's because I suffer with anxiety and I think that it's supposed to be calming, relaxing and all of that sort of thing. So they contacted me and said I could have this product for free. So I said fine, that's okay with me if it's for free, and yeah, so that is what happened. And it retails for £22 on Amazon, and yeah, so I got this. So okay, so let's just open it up like so. So we'll see, there it is. Ta-da, the Moonlight. Right, okay, so as usual, that doesn't get loads and loads and loads of this, which is really good, but we want to get into this. And there it is. Sorry you can hear my dog barking, but he's going to bark a little bit. Right, okay, so this is the Moonlight. So I'm just going to unbox it. There we go. Right. So it looks like that. I will probably insert a little video of it on because it just needs to be a little bit darker. So probably when it gets darker, I will show you it on. And it probably needs charging. And I'm going to drop this. I don't want to. So it comes like that. It's like that. It is like the moon. It has all of the craters of the moon sort of thing, and all the bumps of the moon, and that is it. I wonder if it got a charger. It does have, as you see, I've still taken it out of the box. And does it have any charge? Yes. Nothing in there. Still looking for the charger because it's what I need. I don't know what is in here. There's this bit. So we have this bit. Hopefully I found a charger and the stand. Thank God for that. So this is the stand that it comes with and the charger that it comes with. So right. So you get a normal Android USB micro charger with it. You'll see it. So there we go. And it has a stand. Now I have no idea on how you assemble this. None whatsoever. So I'm guessing that you put these in there like that. This is why I should have asked my partner to do it, because he has more of an idea than I do. So I'm thinking it goes like that. It's got to go like that. And that thing, this stands in this somehow. So what I will do is I will insert a video clip of it working, because I can't really get this done. So it does have instructions and it just goes together like that. I actually did figure it out. So it has the instructions as well, and that just pops in there like that, and that is it. So then you have this, which is the USB lead. I don't know if it has any charge in it, but you have that USB lead as well. Right, okay, so where is the on and off switch? Right. You can't use this product straight away. It needs to be on charge for, it does say, but you do get. So this product has an open circuit protection before you leave the factory. Please recharge the products before used for the first time. The circuit can be activated after charging about 10 seconds. Can operate the product at this time, so it needs to have a charge. Please select the original charging line to charge it. It will take about 2 hours to charge, so there's no way I'm going to keep this video going for 2 hours. So what I'll do is I'll cut it now and then show you the footage of it working. Right, okay, so I am about to go to bed, and yes, so this is the Moonlight box. So this is what it looks like on my bedside table, and that's with the light on. And you see, if you just have to excuse my nails, and see, that's it off there. You just go tap it back on like that and tap it twice. You see, it does that. So this will be like perfect for anybody that just wants to tap light on, tap light off, probably. So there it is. I will just stop this and then show you it in the dark. Right, okay, so this is what it looks like in the dark. So there we go. That is the Moonlight, and tap it once, twice. That's it off. That's like a pinkish, warmish colour. And there we go. So that's it there like that. Like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!